to our 2024 Edinburg CISD General Assembly.
Well, this is something that happens once a year. It's a big celebration, as you saw. We have almost 5,000 employees, and they're here. That's the only time that we get together as a big family. We need to drive home the point that teaching is a team. It's a team effort. Everybody has a little bit to do with teaching children and helping them go through our system, and when they graduate, so that they thrive. Everybody has a little bit, and we wanted to celebrate that effort, and we do it once a year. It's a family. It's a family effort. It's a team effort. It's good for the staff to start off the year and see people that they don't see. They may see them once a year, and this is it. You know, and it's just good to see each other, to talk.
This is an opportunity to get the whole staffs together, to share, to communicate, to compare, and to have the opportunity to see what the district has done as a whole, the celebrations, and also the challenges for the new coming year. It's going to be an event that thousands of people, thousands of staffs will enjoy and will remember, and will give them that extra desire and appreciate that they are a family in the Edinburg School District.
All the honors that we received this year is because of you.
At the end of the day, we are a team. We're one district. It takes starting from transportation all the way to child nutrition, teachers, custodians, everyone, just to make the district become one and do it all for the kids.